today, guys? Do you feel fine? That's very good. Someone tell me to speak slowly, so I will try to do my best to speak slowly. Hi guys, hello, everything okay with you? Today we will do the unboxing to Porsche 911 GT3 by Alpha model. The Bugatti is already going to Asi. Ship it to USA tomorrow morning. I will ship it today, as I promise you. Gold member, platinum member, you are the best friend that I have in this channel, in this hobby. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. I know that you are waiting for the Bugatti, but I know that many of you also wait for the Porsche. So today we will do the unboxing very slowly. We will dip the parts. We will try to do it in the best way that I can do it for you guys. I really appreciate all the comments and the followers that also joined. It's amazing to see each project and each month and each year this channel going and get bigger and bigger, and it's amazing. And I will never stop, Mike. I will never stop to make video for you. So I will try to do it in a very informative way, like I love to do. I hope that you will enjoy. We on the way with the Porsche. I will do the fully build with me, and that's it. The Bugatti will be later, yes, because Asi need to do his magic on the body. So let's start with the Porsche, guys. I hope that you enjoy. This is all the meaning of this channel, to enjoy and also to learn, yes. So let's start. Change the angle of the camera. I will do my best to focus on the Porsche today. No more talking about the Bugatti and the project of the years. Just focus on the Porsche because it's an amazing kit. Believe me, you will see it in a couple of seconds. Let's start. Yes. I tell you second, and this is the second, guys. Porsche 911 GT3. Whoa! Let's open it. The unboxing. Ta-dam, ta-dam, tam-tam. Yes, what we have here? The body! It's packing! It's heavy, yes, racing kit, it's heavy. This is the structor sheet that we will see later. Some parts over there. Let me organize everything because I want you to see everything. This I don't need to pack again because I will build it, so I will not keep all the bags. Let's start with the body because we love the most the body of the Porsche. They make a wonderful body, and I will want that you will see it, guys. By the way, how do you feel? Do you enjoy this club? You continue to comment and see things that nobody see, only you and me. Wow. 1, 2, 3. Porsche. Wait, step by step, the body, wow. Guys, I want to cry. Wow. I not look on the camera, I look on the body with you. Wow. Look, the light, the grill. How much he did it in this kit they put. Wow, look, it's so amazing. Look the back. The 2 exhaust pipe, the headlight, the spoiler that we will build together, me and you. We will come back to the body because I want to talk about it a little bit, but let's continue with the parts. I know that many of you see Alpha model, the interior come like that, super easy. It fit perfectly, just play with it, find a way, and it will sit perfectly, guys. This is why I love in the Alpha model kits. They look fantastic. This is the more or less the chassis that you close over there with the bolts that they supply to you, and I will show you how to make it because I want you to learn. Okay, this is going to be over there. Let's put it other way. Let's remove the body. Let's see the seat. What do you think about the seats of the Porsche? Wow. Look the seat, guys. Highly detailed, and it's Look fantastic, guys. Wow. Do you see it? Wonderful. Definitely with carbon fiber and things like that, it will be awesome. The other one is the same. You can mistake. Bring us too. It's slipping to my head, from my head, from my hand. So this is the two seats that will sit perfectly over there, as you can see. Yes. What we have here more, the caliper brakes. You know, racing kit, it's sometime you need to cut it and see where, because you never know where. Okay, so look at how I cut it, and we will do it. This is part of the steering wheel with all the indicators over there. This is the two exhausts. Very nice. What we have here, this is the buckle for the seatbelt. Look how much is small. This is the handles inside the panel door. We will see the panel door over there. I don't know what this part, but we will check it and see these two parts. Wait, sometimes I lose the, it's called okay, mirror over there, the main rear mirror, and some gauge over there, and the center console with the buttons over there, and also what is it, I don't know. We will see the two. I don't know everything. Yes, this is the two handles over there. This is the air condition, I see. Yes, this is the air condition. Look, you can paint only the air condition without any issue, and then after that glue to the dashboard. But let's see the dashboard. Awesome, awesome. Oh, the famous dashboard, Yes, yes. Do you see all the, we need to put inside the decal, but look how amazing it's look. All the texture, you see the texture on it. Wow, it's fantastic. The doors, we have two doors over there, as you can see. It's look fantastic. We have the spoiler over there. Look how much detail they put in the spoiler. Do you see it, guys? Awesome. Only you need to cut this part and then sand it little bit and paint. This is the two cowling air vent that sit over there on the GT3. They have a two air vent over there, so we need to put them. As I remember, this is the mount holder for the wheels. The two mirrors, of course, the famous mirrors with the open area over there. What we have here, the disc brakes. As you can see, we have the disc brakes over there, and also the steering wheel, and also the, what is it? I think it's sit over there. Yes, and I'm not right on the dashboard. I don't know what is it exactly. Maybe it's some part of the air venting. Also in the center console over there. As you can see, you can paint it alone and put it inside. Armrest over there. Super awesome, guys. The famous wheel of the GT3. Yes. Super car, guys. Super car, and it's look fantastic. Look the wheels. Yes. Let me see something. Yes. Also in this kit, the front of and the back of the wheel, they know same, so keep a watch. We need to clean it a little bit inside, but look, it's look fantastic, guys. It's amazing wheels. Very easy to build the alpha model kit, guys, so don't afraid. I know it's a little bit expensive to buy a full racing kit, but look the body, and look the cars, and look the clear parts, how much they improve the clear parts, guys. It's like a Tamiya. Look, amazing, the front clear parts for the front headlight and tail light. They look fantastic. I will keep it in the bag because I don't want to scratch them. I don't know if you see the video of the Ferrari 488 Spider. I used the bolt, the black bolt, to put inside the wheel and make them spin. I will show you how to make it also. Don't worry. Let's see the other part that we will get over there. Yes, we have some stickers, some metal parts. Porsche 999 GT. I think it's amazing when you finish a model and you put it in the case and you put this. By the way, you can paint them and then sand it a little bit and just the paint get inside and it will be amazing. Porsche, guys. I call it Porsche, but they call it Porsche. The shortcut. Okay, the mirror. Metal sticker for the mirror. What is it? I think it's part of the spoiler, the GT, and some 4.0 liter. I think it's the engine sign. We have here decals. Look how amazing the decals, guys. Wow. So this is going to be fantastic builds, guys, for you guys. I think it will be fantastic. We have here also the buckle GT3 Porsche with the metal sticker, that if you want to take advance and use a metal sticker also for the dashboard, also indicators over there, you can use a metal sticker. You not have to, but if you like it, you can use it. Do you see the air vent over there? It's look amazing. Metal. All the things that they put and you can paint it before, it's amazing and it's very nice and good. It's depend on you to use I will give you an example. It's depend on you to use the metal or the air vent that from resin. It's up to you, guys. 911 GT3 plate numbers. Also we have here all the mesh grills for metals and also the wipers. I know it's a little bit hard to make the wipers, but we will try to make it together and we'll see. Here you can plate for a GT3 Porsche. You can put it over there and then paint with any color that you want. This is good things. Also for the light, headlight, they put inside some also metal parts for the mirrors. I see. Yes, it's look fantastic. We will handle it. Also we have a metal sticker of the logo. Look at the reflection, make it more really nice from the decals. And of course Alpha model sheet of plastic clear parts. We will try to do our best together to make it look real and nice. I have a few tips for you. If you will see it in the, I think it's part number 5 or 6, you will see how I handle with the clear parts. Let's see the structure sheet, what they say about all the parts and the numbers. As you can see over there, all the parts with the numbers, the plate that they put, all the parts, guys. Yes, and here we can see all the fully detail of how to build it. Wow, so many parts and so many things to do. I think it will be long video and long project, guys. Yes, the outside also, they give you also many detail, how to put and where to put what. Keep attention to the detail, it's very important in Alpha model kit. Also how to put the disc brakes and the wheels and the mount holder, and also how to paint. As you can see, we talk about it, how to paint it and how to use it. I think they need that. This is a template that you can put after that the metal parts. It's depend on you and how you want to make it. This is the car when you finish, how it's look. And that's it. Yes, we finished, guys. Do you believe? Very nice unboxing, guys. Thank you very much for all the people that decide to join to the Gold Club. It's amazing to see you there. I will try to do my best and make it in much part that I can, that you will see everything. I know sometimes it's a little bit boring to see me do it again and again and again, but each time it's a different car. And look what we build next. Fantastic. Alpha model, guys. It's not a cheap kit. I think $150, but worth the money, and you will see the result. Okay, so thank you very much. I love you so much, and I feel after 1 year of making a video that I improve all the time, so it's good to me. And let me know if you want to see anything else. The bird singing, and it's good time to finish this video. I hope to see you next time, next Monday, next Tuesday, with a lot of video, also on Friday with the Ducati and things like that. So I will leave you now, and we will meet again. Bye bye, Rosso Model channel.